on to the next project. It's gonna be the WPL C14. We're gonna try and turn it into an LCG crawler. I'm done with the Lambo build, but with this, there's a few things gonna happen to this. We're gonna extend the links a little longer. We're gonna put some longer, beefier drive shafts on, a set of longer shocks, 1.9 beadlocks from Endura, fitted with these tires. They are the MN86 tires. And then we're gonna widen it and weigh it down with these 12mm extensions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tear it down to just nothing but chassis and axles. And yeah, I'm still running the Latrax ESC. I actually really like it.
It's bulky, but I consider it carry-on.
Well, there it is. There's the breakdown of the C14. I think that's where we're gonna end the video. And in the next video, we'll start installing all this stuff here. Click the subscribe button and the bell if you want to get notified on the next WPL C14 LCG build. And I hope to see you join me on the next video.